Let's see what's inside. This box is huge. Let's see if we can open it. Yeah, that's the biggest box I think we got here. Let's open. It just got delivered, so it's fresh, cold. Wow, there's a lot of stuff. Some chicken, salmon, whole chicken, chuck roast, pork butt. Let's see what's inside this one. Alright, new in this box, uncured hot dogs. I want to try to see if it tastes better than store hot dogs. Then we have ground pork and scallops, as well as ground beef. Then we have whole chicken and chicken breast. Then we move into some salmon and cod and some stew. If you notice, I changed format of this video. Let me know in comments below if you like this format better or you actually like my previous unboxing. And hopefully this video still help you to choose your meat for your ButcherBox if you do, or you thinking to try some ButcherBox. And again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.